In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to repost on Instagram. Now there are two sections that you can repost. Now first find a post that you want to repost, and if you tap on this share option, which is on the bottom, you'll have an option of add post to your story. If you tap on it, that particular post will be added to your story and you can repost it. But as you can see, there is no option to repost it on your profile section. So in this case, what you need to do is you need to just take a screenshot of this picture. If it is a picture, you just take a screenshot, or if it is a video, you can just download the video and then post it. Now for example, if it is a video, you just tap on the arrow or the share button right here and tap on copy link. Once the link has been copied, you'll need to open up your web browser and just search for instavideosave.net, and you'll land on this website where you just tap on the reels option and then just paste in the link that you copied and then tap on download. Once you do, the video will load up and you just tap on download video and the video will be downloaded to your phone. Once the video has been downloaded, you can just open up your Instagram and then post it to your profile. That's the only way that you do it, and there is no separate option as similar to on TikTok. That's how easily you can repost on your Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.